For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believed in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Faisa Meaalofa, ile tupu mamali, wana ye maliu mo oe, na ye cha safa ngai le ola whapapau. Nasema,
world, I've got a shattered paradise. I was born messed up thanks to the first man. I needed you to come in present to kill my perversion, curing my aversion to seeing the world through your eyes. You were chastened by many who looked upon you, slow to compliment but hastening to chastise. They couldn't rock with your declaration of being the fulfillment of prophecy. That's why they hated you and treated you as Herod wanted to slice you up the second you stepped out your mama, but he couldn't succeed because it wasn't your time. It's only when a human shaving declares himself to be God isn't the truth of religious law dictates his action to be a blasphemous crime. You trod a blood-drenched path, pouring scarlet rivers out your veins and irises to show us evidence the way sublime. You had to live and die with a clean slate to make my spirit tabula rasa, rinse clean of grime.
Yo, Faisa Meaalofa, we'll not you one more year. Come on, I say.
Divine principle in the fact complaint can be anagrammatically rearranged to form compliant. I ain't got no need to do the former if I stay the latter, recognizing you're my ladder out of woe upon you and reliant, not perishing defiant. We gotta take serious your claim to improve our lives if we make you our heart's boss, cause you ain't playing games like the legendary dearly departed contender for Bebo King Kobe Bryant. I'm on my A-code with a Nat King twist, roasting chestnuts reminding me how you fry fear when it tries to bring me tears like an Israeli threatening giant. I saw a scenery to Mickey D's rocking a tee saying Santa OMG. I'm thinking to myself, why you worship the servant instead of the master? That's bonkers, homie. He'd be eternal in his grave knowing you fleeced yourself of comprehending the true meaning of this blessed cause. Celebrate, we were given an everlasting gift of peace and joy eternity when the truth resides within we who find hope in JC.
Yeah, come on, come on. Sulela, Ileola, Faraba. Ole Meaalofa Sili. Ole Warfatu Lelo, Wala Moia. Aga ole Su. Ole Tali. Ole Nei Christmas. O Yesu lava ole mafuanga. Ole Nei Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.